Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we give you an overview of the general functions for an open table. Above the input field, you have additional functions. Note, those can be disabled in the back office. To expand the additional functions, drag the control element upwards. Then all functions will be displayed. By tapping on Open Drawer, the drawer connected to your POS system will be opened. Tap on Description to add a description to the order. This will be shown on the table map. To assign a customer to the order, tap on Customers. To print an interim receipt, tap on Print Order. By tapping on Number of Guests, you can add the number of guests to report the average amount of spending. Tap on Price Level to change price levels manually or switch back to the regular price. To assign a pager to the order, tap on Pager Number. Note, the pager number will be printed on the note and the production ticket. To switch the current table, tap on Select Table. By tapping on Cash Actions, you get an overview of the cash transactions. To display the balance of a loyalty card, tap on Balance. Note, only available if you integrated a loyalty card system. Tap on Delivery Time to add a delivery time that will be printed on the production ticket. By tapping on the three dots, a few more functions will be displayed that could not fit into the expanded menu. Tap on Takeaway Time to add a delivery time that will be printed on the production ticket. To add received deposits, tap on Recycling Deposits. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now have an overview of the general functions for an open table.